This will demonstrate how we can federate the topology model within our project. So we got a file containing the geometries, and we are creating a new file which will contain the topology model. So the first thing we need to do is to attach the rail geometries. Once we've done that, we can then create the topology model. So we'll use the tool for create the model, and we will be selecting one of the geometries, and all the geometries connected through turnouts will be part of the topology model. If you look in the Explorer, we can now see that we got main track and the two siding tracks represented, and those ones are made up by nodes and edges. But right now we don't have any routes. We need routes for the overhead line design. So let's create a couple of routes. Call the first one the first route, and we will use the main track and then the geometries between the turnouts and then the first siding track, and then going back out on the main track again. And finally we'll create another route we'll call the main, and that will be a collection of edges making up the whole main track. So we're selecting those three edges there and save the route for the main track. And if we look at again in the Explorer, we can see the first route as well as the main route. If we zoom in a little bit, we can see that those routes are highlighted within the graphics. Okay, so we've got the topology in a separate file, and now let's create another file which will be the file containing the overhead line design. So to federate the setup of the topology model, we need to attach the geometry as well as the topology model. We've got both of those attached as references, and this file will now be ready for the overhead line design. This will mean that all the users within the project will use the same data.